Hello, everyone. This is Ahmed Jadallah, and I'm going to be sharing with you today Bionl. Bionl is simply a no-code bioinformatics research platform that helps pharma, biotech companies, and hospitals accelerate their bioinformatics pipeline generation and management, in addition to providing them with access to disease-specific patient cohorts. So there are two verticals, the analysis part and the data access part. Let's dive deeper into the platform. For the upstream analysis or dealing with raw data, we manage their pipelines through our workflow section. And pharma and biotech companies usually they either can use our huge library of publicly available pipelines. We can build customized pipelines for them that will show here in their specific organization space, or their bioinformaticians can build and run those bioinformatics pipelines. Of course, this is an internal testing organization, so nothing proprietary here. But a typical bioinformatician in a pharma company or even the scientist can easily run any specific pipeline from here in a few clicks. We provide them with compute, file system management, storage. Their files, all the storage here in their file system, and of course, from dealing, they can run pipelines from the raw data until the final clinical report. Typical executions would show here as well. Let's go ahead and see a pipeline. A typical pipeline dealing with raw data would be this is for RNA-seq, a famous pipeline that we built for our clients or users, and they would simply can navigate through each step of that specific pipelines, what models were used here, what compute were requested, the inputs, the outputs of this specific step, and all the data here will be shared with their file system. That file system, either they can use our own cloud, they can use their own cloud cluster, or we can integrate on-prem. And in that file system, they're going to be able to navigate with all the reporting that came out of these pipelines. After they deal with their upstream analysis, they usually move to what we call the downstream analysis, or what we call the Bionl notebook. This is a typical like demo Bionl notebook where they can navigate where they can build interactive pipelines here in the notebook and basically navigate these nice interactive visualizations of their further analysis. They can what they can do here in this notebook is simply they can write code in Python or R. They can build code templates from our code template builder, and any code template that they build is here. Or they can build multi-step pipelines. Those we call them interactive workflows. The difference there is that the first workflows I showed you deal with raw data. These deal with like further data down the line. And of course, our AI agent sits on top of these, of generating this bioinformatics code and building those code templates and building these interactive pipelines. Many other features as well sit at the core of a Bionl like Medit, where it gives them access to literature search, literature review, literature analysis, variant interpretation tools, and all of that connects with, as I mentioned earlier, we deal with data providers like hospitals in hosting their disease-specific patient cohorts, which pharma and biotech can access those cohorts through analysis pipelines on Bionl and Bionl only. So this brings a collaborative workspace for teams, and of course they can build an organization for each team, and they have permissions at the organization level, at the workspace level, or at the session level. So this is how we help pharma and biotech companies orchestrate, manage, and run their bioinformatics pipelines and access disease-specific patient cohorts. Thank you.